too many people know, even lawyers and law students, that sports is mentioned in our 1987 Constitution. By the way, I highlight this konting advertisement sa UPCHK, which we're offering sports law as a whole semester, not for master students. And what we wanted to underscore in that class is what is the noble purpose of sports. Alam niyo po ba, I don't know kung magugulat kayo, under the Constitution it says there that sports must foster healthy and alert citizenry, number one. Number two, patriotism and nationalism. That's clear under the Constitution. Number three, accelerate social progress. And number four, total human liberation and development. So I think what Chairman is doing, what PSC is doing, what all of us are doing should lead to that. No? Ang sports ay hindi lang pang sports. Ang sports para sa ikabubuti ng buhay nating lahat. Dapat tayo ay pantay-pantay. Hindi lang elite development, grassroots development. Mahalaga yung in-introduce ni Chairman and PSC sports tourism, because all of these form part of the noble purpose of sports. So yun lamang muna. Thank you, Bill.